Submitting your shiny new mobile app to the App and Google Play stores is your final step before launching your app. This is where your implementation specialist will do everything they need to get your app up and running in the App and Google Play stores. All of this happens in 3 simple steps. You submit your app listing for approval, then we build your app for the App Store and the Google Play Store. So, I'll show you exactly how to submit your app and walk you through how your implementation specialist will ensure that your app is showcased in both the App and Google Play stores. So, you've just completed your app listing within the Tapcart dashboard. To submit this for approval, you can select Submit Your App. Once you submit this, you'll let us know by sending an email to your implementation specialist. You can say something simple like, "Hey, my app is ready," or "I just submitted my app listing." Something along those lines of letting us know you've completed this step. And they'll respond by confirming and saying something like, "Cool, thanks," and we'll take it from there. From this point, you're in trusted hands. Our team will prepare your app for submission. And I'll show you exactly what we're doing over here at Tapcart to submit your app for approval, leaving you with the ease of not needing to handle any of this. For the App Store, once we receive your submission, we'll run the build to create your app. It's important to note here, if your registered business name, meaning the name on your Apple developer account, is not the name you want to have publicly associated with your iOS app, then please make sure to let your implementation specialist know to change this name to your desired option. This can only be done before we run the first build of your iOS app. If you have any questions about this, you can always reach out to your implementation specialist or our support team. Now, where were we? Once we receive your submission, we'll run the build to create your app, meaning we'll be creating the initial version of your app to upload, submit, and manage on the App Store with App Store Connect. So, here's a few things that we do. We fill in all of the information you provide on the app listing section of the Tapcart dashboard to get this ready for approval. In addition to this, we upload images of your app that are showcased to users in the App Store. You can either provide your own images for us to upload by sending these to your implementation specialist, or we can create the images for you. When we do it, we typically capture 4 images of your app, including a view of the home page, a product and collection view, along with a view of your cart with a couple of items added. We'll then select the new build we've uploaded in your App Store Connect account to create your app. From there, we save and submit your app to Apple Developer for review. It's important to note here that it can take about 24 to 48 hours for the app to be approved. Once approved, you will receive an email confirmation to the email address that is registered with the Apple Developer account. And if you miss the email, your implementation specialist has your back and will let you know when it's ready to. From there, you'll be able to see your iOS app live within the App Store. For the Google Play Store, we go through a very similar process. What we do is create an app in the Google Play console, which is essentially like App Store Connect, but for the Google Play Store. We upload all of your information and images that you submitted on your app listing in Tapcart, and then enter in all your information to showcase it in the store listing. This also includes images of your app, and once again, these can be provided by you, or we can create the images for you. We then upload the build and link your privacy policy to submit this to Google Play Developer for review. Once it's submitted, it can take about 5 to 7 business days for the approval to get the app live on Android. And once again, when this is ready, you'll receive an email from Google Developer confirming your app is live. If you miss the email, your implementation specialist will also reach out to let you know it's live within the Google Play Store. Something important to note is that any changes you want to make to your app listing will always require a new build. So, anytime you want the app listing updated, you will need to let us know so we can run a new build and submit any updates to display those changes. After the app is initially approved, the review for a new update can take about 24 to 48 hours for both the app and Google Play stores to display those changes. And there you have it. You now know how to submit your app listing to your implementation specialist with Tapcart to ensure your app is showcased in both the app and Google Play stores.